What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Before we get into this video, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of advice on how you should approach crypto and how you should approach investing and understanding and gaining knowledge and investing in yourself. There's a story about a man and a boy where the boy found this man who's a multi-millionaire. So this kid wanted to know how you could become a multi-millionaire. And he asked this man, and the man says, I'll teach you how to be a billionaire or millionaire, whatever. And so he goes, meet me at the beach tomorrow morning, early, 5 a.m. So the boy goes, he meets him, and then the man starts walking out into the ocean, and then he tells the boy, follow me. And then so the boy follows him, and then he keeps going, water's up to his waist, keeps going, water's up to his shoulders, and then he stops. The boy catches up to him, and then what he does is turn around to the boy, and then he grabs the boy and he shoves him and holds him under the water. So the boy's just scrambling to try to get up out the water, and then he lets him up to breathe, and then he pushes him back down, and the boy's like fighting and trying to get up out of the water. Finally he gets up out of the water, and he's like, why the heck did you do that? Like, how is that teaching me how to be a billionaire or millionaire? And the man looks at him and he's all, you have to want it. You have to want it as bad as you want it to breathe. You have to really want it like that. And that's the type of relentless mindset that you need to have when you're going after investing in crypto, learning about crypto, and then, you know, building income for yourself. These are things that are critical for you. Yeah, so hope you guys like that. If not, it might be a little corny, but you know what? There's value in that, especially if you could follow it. All right, let's get into this video, guys. What is up, guys? Welcome to Run My Crypto. Thank you for tuning in with me today. Hope you guys are doing extremely well. Today I'm going to chat about why Bitcoin is finally been verified or validated as an asset class that is going to pick up some eyes from the big institutional investors. And why do I believe that because of this we're going into a bull run? Well, let's talk about it, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Appreciate the love. All right, let's get into it. So, talking about Bitcoin. And so I think basically what's been going on over the past year and a half now, we've been in an extremely bear market, and it's really sucked for everybody that's, you know, put money in at the top. You know, you got in, you put money in SHIB, you put money in Ethereum. I know me personally, I put like $4,000. I bought Ethereum when it was like $4,000. And it was crazy to see all these coins just plummet, you know, but I was really fresh, really green into crypto, didn't know much about it. 2010, I believe somebody told me about Bitcoin, and I was just like shaking that. I was like, you know, yeah, not for me. But was it a mistake? Absolutely, because I could have got Bitcoin when it was about 1,100 bucks or so, something like that. It was a ridiculously low number, but to me at the time, somebody that didn't have too much knowledge behind controlling money and understanding money and stuff like that, I was thinking more about buying some Jordans or buying, you know, a car or something versus wanting to invest my money. But now, as an older guy, 40 some years old, 42 to be exact, life's a little bit different. You got 4 kids. I have 4 kids, and you know, 2 of them are adults already, and it gets tough. Life gets tough, guys. So you have to be really smart about money and understand like what, you know, what money is, how to spend it, how to save, not even saving, investing it. You know, those are like key critical things to understand. But going back to this, let's this is the reason why I think that the bull run is way on the horizon, and we could see it more and more daily. So again, I feel like a lot of people have been shaken out because, you know, you have to have thick skin to stay into crypto because it's so volatile. There's things that happen, you know. You got FTX collapse, you know, you have FTX collapse. A lot of bad things have happened within the last year in crypto, and it gets tough. It gets tough, especially if you have to hold on and invest. And yeah, it's just pretty tough. I got this is one of my little kids right here. Oh, he just ran in and ran out, you know what I mean? You know, but the thing is like, if you don't have that thick skin and you don't have that belief that you're gonna make some money in crypto, you're not. It's just what it is. It's tough. You know, for a lot of people, it's been like they got in and then they got scared out and they're like, oh, nothing's ever gonna happen. But we are looking at a $1 trillion, I think it's a $1.2 trillion market cap globally for crypto, and that's huge, guys. But with Bitcoin being validated as an ETF, and once all this processes, you're gonna see the big institutions, and then this is what we've been waiting for quite some time. I mean, we've been here patiently. You know, it's like the Israelites in the desert, man. They sat there for 40 some years, but they believed in what they wanted to do, or what was going to happen. And what happens is they got blessed out of it. So we believe as crypto holders that, you know, we're going to make big gains out of it. That's what's going to happen. You know, you have to constantly recondition your mindset to know how to win, and just, you know, being patient, being consistent. Those are key elements to making sure that you get what you want out of crypto investing. All right, so with this Bitcoin validation, and when it starts to happen, and when it's put in play, that's when you're going to see tons of money start flowing in, and then you're going to be so excited that you got in when crypto was low, and you see all these huge gains, and that's where your benefits are going to come, and your financial freedom comes, and you can finally do something like start a business, or buy that car you always wanted, or buy that house that you've been waiting for. You know, whatever you choose to do with your profits, you put in the work, you reap the benefits, and you deserve it. So I wanted to make this quick video to let you guys know that this is, I think, one of the main catalysts that's going to drive the 2024-2025 bull run, along with XRP lawsuit settlement. I think we're going to have huge news. We got the elections coming up next year, so it's kind of brewing for a good, positive future for crypto investing. And who knows, there might be some other things that cause a little, you know, one more dip or something like that. But you guys have to understand that we're riding the wave, and at the end of the day, you know, as long as you're still standing on that board, you're being successful. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this little small video that I put together for you guys. Make sure you hit some of my other videos. There's a few great ones. I'll go ahead and leave them at the end of this video, so if you're still watching, I appreciate it. You know, check out a couple other videos. I have a podcast that I put together. It's called the Run My Crypto Room, where I'm just kind of experiencing this stuff, testing it out. Pretty soon I'll be doing some one-on-ones. If anybody's interested, I'll start them for free, just to build some just to build some community, just to, you know, show you that I'm truly invested in you guys. You don't see that, you know, everybody's wanting to charge, but I'm gonna do mine for free. Hopefully you guys will take advantage of that. And I put in tons of work to get you guys good information and just understanding, you know, investing in crypto. So again, thank you guys for actually watching this. If you're still here, appreciate the love. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notification, drop me some comments, let me know, you know, anything you guys have as far as questions go, anything I could answer. Yeah, and I appreciate the time. So may you always be blessed in what you do as far as crypto goes, and everything in your life. Create your mindset. Make sure that you're relentless at everything you do. Stay consistent, stay committed, and you'll be blessed in the end. All right, guys, take care.